Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm showing you a super quick tip on how to combine letters and numbers in Excel. This is perfect for generating IDs, labels or any custom codes you might need. Let's dive in. First things first, open your Excel workbook where you want to combine letters and numbers. Here I have two columns, that is name and serial number. Let's say you want to combine these into a single code in combined or in column C. So what you're gonna need to do is type in the formula bar, which is equals to, then tap in the row, then press and symbol and the another column. This formula tells Excel to connect or concatenate or link together the contents of cell C4 and D4. After you've hit enter, the letter and number are going single. To apply this to the rest of the cells, simply drag down the fill handle from the bottom right corner of cell E4. This will copy the formula down to the other cells. And just like that, all your cells in column E will have the combined values. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Excel tips and share this with someone who might find it useful.